So today our practices are going to be focused on the pranic healing energy. So we breathe all the time, but as we become more aware of this breath, we actually turn this normal breathing of oxygen, carbon dioxide into something much more powerful within, which is prana. It's the life force. And when we become aware of that, we are able to use this pranic force within for healing. So we'll all stand up on our mats. Just stand with your feet together. Now just observe the first practice and then we do it all together. This is called Bandha Hasta Utthanasana. We cross our wrists in front. The palms are crossed in front. And breathing in, we take the hands up fully. Breathing out, we bring the hands to the side. Again, breathing in, we are going to take the hands up, give a good stretch. And then breathing out, bring the hands down. This is one full round of this practice. So get ready for the practice, both feet together. Cross your wrists in front. Breathe in, take the hands up, slowly, deep breathing. Breathing out, spread the hands out to the sides. Breathe in again, take the hands up, cross them over the head. Breathing out, bring the hands down. Second round. Now as we take the hands up, we tilt the head up as well a little bit, opening up the lungs and the throat area and allowing the pranic energy to flow in. Let's start. Breathe in. Breathe out. Hands to the sides. Breathe in again. Cross the hands on top. Look up. Breathe out. Bring the hands down. Now see what is the difference between the normal Nauka Sanchalan that we do and the one we do for this practice. When we bend forward, normally our head is up. Now we are going to take it down to the base of the throat. The chin is at the base of the throat. As we go back, we are going to push our head back. So now there is a stretch at the throat. So what happens is that you have pressure down here and stretch, and that enhances the practice at the thyroid gland. Okay, let's all get ready for the practice. Feet together, the spine erect. Make fists of your fingers. At the sides, row your boat, move forward, one, head down, back, head back, two, head down, two, head back.